Hello, welcome to Absolut Drinks. I'm Rico, and today we're gonna make a sit down. The Calvados and the Amaro work so well together to give some complex levels of flavor here. And then that lime is just the brightener of the whole drink. So we're gonna make two because it's such a boozy drink. We don't want you drinking alone. Stirred down drink, so get your mixing glass or mixing vessel of choice. And this is just 1, 2, 3 ingredients, all alcohol. So we're gonna make sure that this is blended to perfection. Let's start off with Calvados, a apple brandy. That's not apple flavored brandy, that's a brandy made from apples. So we want 20 ml of that. And then we want equal parts or equal measures of Ramazzotti Amaro. Amaro is an Italian herbal liqueur. And next up, we want 40 ml of Absolut Lime vodka going straight in. I think I did say at the beginning of this we were gonna make two, and I've been doing all the measurements for one. Okay, so I've just done the measurements out for one drink, but we should really make two, so I'm just gonna double up in the mixing glass right now. The magic of television. It's easy because it's just equal measurements. If this was complicated, we wouldn't be here. But it's 3 ingredients. So we're gonna take our bar spoon, fill this with ice, and we wanna stir to chill. We don't really want too much dilution on this. Whenever I taste a drink, I just like to put a bit there. Ooh. You need to sit down after one of these, that's for sure. Pour that in nicely. There we go. And we're gonna just take a lime and just get some zest and some oils in there. You just wanna always make sure that you get those oils all over the drink. And there you go, sit down. Find a buddy, take a seat, sit down and have a sit down. Oh, the sit down. Wow. Wow. That's some good